When you create a observation, right, and record it moving, it works in the way of a particle. It crystallizes into a particle, like a little dot basically, and then acts and behaves in the way of a dot. When you are running the same experiment without a camera looking at it, then you look at the results of the experiment, it behaves like an energetic wave. So by observing it, the act of watching it, it crystallizes it and changes its behavior to become something else. Intangible energy becomes physical matter, right? Through observation, through looking at it, watching it. So that's one of two outcomes. Number one, it knows it's being watched, and then it behaves in a specific way because it's being watched, and it has to align with the rules of general relativity. Yeah, I say that general relativity explains the science of the illusion, and quantum physics explains the reality of reality. That's science, the real science. So, strings potentially know when they are being watched and then behave differently, right? That's the element of consciousness. Or strings aren't conscious at all and they are programmed to act this way because we exist in a computer simulation. And as part of the AI code in the simulation, when a string is being observed, it must act in a way of a particle because that's what scientists are supposed to expect, right? And they're like, oh yeah, look, your results come the way they are, but when you're not watching us, woo, we're like Toy Story and we do what we want in energetic waveforms. And if that's the case, then that means we're in a computer simulation, and that means someone designed the computer simulation. So by definition, that's our creator, and that thing is then God. Do you know what I mean, right? So that's check one, that God exists. Comment in this video below if you believe we exist in a computer simulation like Elon Musk. However, I don't, so I'm gonna keep going, right? Because I am now gonna prove that the whole of the multiverse exists in an interconnected hive mind of consciousness, which I call God.